Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this particular training, we're going to be talking about how you can start getting your data from HubSpot into PhoneBurner. Now, hopefully you've already watched our overview and you now understand why you would want to get your contact data from HubSpot into PhoneBurner so you can start powering through your calls at a rate of 60 to 80 dials per hour. But how do you get started? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your HubSpot account and you need to go to the HubSpot Marketplace. From the HubSpot Marketplace, you're going to do a quick search for PhoneBurner, and you're going to notice that there are two apps in the HubSpot Marketplace for PhoneBurner. One that's built by HubSpot and one that's built by PhoneBurner. These two applications do two different things. The PhoneBurner app built by HubSpot is designed to sync your data between HubSpot and PhoneBurner, and the PhoneBurner app is designed to log the call activities that you do in PhoneBurner back to HubSpot. So we're going to start with the app that was built by HubSpot. So we're going to click on that. Obviously, you can take some time to review some details here, but we're going to just jump into installing the app. And the first thing we need to do is we need to connect our PhoneBurner account to HubSpot. So we're going to click on Connect to PhoneBurner. And we're going to enter our PhoneBurner username and password. Then we're going to hit Sign In. And then we're going to go ahead and approve HubSpot access to our PhoneBurner account. That's going to allow the two systems to talk to each other, right? So now that we've created the link, we've now linked our PhoneBurner account to our HubSpot account, now we can start to set up the sync. And that's how easy it is to install the HubSpot data sync so that you can link your PhoneBurner and HubSpot account together. Now, in an effort to keep these videos as short as possible and as focused as possible, I'm going to end this video now, but make sure that you watch our next one where we're going to pick up where we left off and start to set up the sync. So thanks for watching this video and happy dialing.